So I'll be giving you my quick feedback on this Windscreen4less 6x50 privacy fence screen heavy duty windscreen fencing mesh, right? And I'll also be showing you a video of what it actually looks like, right? So first and foremost, the quality is extremely good. The height is perfect and it seems durable, like it can withstand the elements. That means rain and sunshine, right? So I purchased it on December the 13th and today is January the 10th. So I've had it for a while. So I'm going to be hopping over to a video now to show you what it looks like. So one thing to note, so if you're looking to use it for like a construction privacy mesh, it's ideal. And if you want to use it on an existing fence, it's ideal to use. Alright, I highly recommend it. It's not sponsored, but if you want to support my channel, you can use the referral link in the description of this video. Earn a small commission at no additional cost to you.